Place the coating machine on a horizontal test bench. Install the air source treatment unit. Connect the pipelines. Connect the air source. Fix the spray gun onto the bracket. Connect the sile and cap pipelines between the spray gun and the coating machine. Connect the peristaltic pump pipeline. Align with the slot on the drive shaft. Then install the coating pan. Adjust the angle of the hot air heater. Turn on the power supply. The main screen lights up and enters the operation interface. Set the parameters and mode. Start the experiment. Temperature and rotation speed can be adjusted during the experiment. Rotate the spray width and flow knobs to adjust the spray width and flow rate. The liquid supply speed is adjustable. The experiment is completed. Clean the pipelines. Cleaning completed. Turn off the power supply.